and you are carrying the goals in children's side.
Ebyona babigambira babiri mbatendeka ba lecturer bona ba Kampala International University ebezili competence based education training kandi okutendeka oku nikuza kumalisa nde yona.
Uganda as a country decided to go competence based education. This started with the lower secondary curriculum and the advanced secondary curriculum.
Competences, these are basically what a student will be able to attain, or is able to do, apart from having the skill. But what can this student do?
Aba bashobora enshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ahabwa Ministry y'ebyobwegyese etandikireho ehururu eya new curriculum mu matendekero.
Directive by the Honorable Minister and First Lady Janet Kataha 7 on 9th July 2025 wrote to National Council for Higher Education a letter asking them to guide universities or people in higher education on how to prepare to receive the students who are leaving secondary school and joining higher education.
So with this innovation, we shall have additional increment in the contact hour for the practicals, which is basically consumed by the patients. See, I'm a dean, but I've never seen my marks in the university where I've studied.
Abashomesa batendekirwe nibagaruka boreka ngo abeegi nibija kuba nibashomesibwa obukugu butari bumwe na bumwe oburaho bahwere omu kwetandikiraho emirimo etari emwe n'emwe ahabwa entaasya y'amaka gaabo.
Abaana abashomoka benu bamanya ngu tikiri omushomesa yiibo konka ate ekikuza kuba kirungi n'okugira ngu enshomesa ei babenu babashomesamu current level niyo barashanga eturuma
ekiyayikorera katuyuruza kwezi courses za social sciences kaza public administration kaza social worker ekintu omwana bena abasa kuruga mu university ari kugenda ari ku designinga za projects za program zo kubasa kuyiha abantu omugoro.
Bamwe abeetabira omu kutendekwa oku nibashobora ngu omu kutendekwa oku nabo batungiremu obukugu butari bumwe na bumwe oburabayamba omu kwegyesa abeegi aba.
Tubasize kuhebwa omushomo okushashirirwa omushomo gwo kumara ebiro bitano bwa wiki yona okuruga mu management ya KIU aho kwenda ngu abashomesa kite ba lecturers na ba administrators hamwe na leaders bafuna obukugu
bashomesa aharengo owa university abana abo ntuza kuba ntibashomesa kyenyini ekyo mwana ekyakubasa kwegasira. That is what we call hands-on than theory.
Makuru agasha kwa Olivia na Sasira omuri Bushenyi.